How to get one Notion page on iPhone homepage. To get started, first of all go ahead and long press on an empty area of your home screen until the app icons begin to jiggle. This action enters edit mode. Once in edit mode, tap on Edit in the top left corner. From the menu, tap on Add Widget as shown. This opens the widget gallery, where you can browse for widgets from your installed apps. Use the search bar at the top and type in Notion. Tap on the Notion app from the search results to see its available widget styles. You can swipe left or right to browse through different widgets, such as Page or Favorites. Once you've chosen a style, tap on Add Widget at the bottom. The widget will be placed on your home screen. Tap on it to begin the setup process. On the configuration screen, tap on Choose and select your desired page from the list that appears. The widget will update to show your selected page. Finally, tap Done in the top right corner to save your changes. Following these steps, you can easily get one Notion page on an iPhone homepage.